Today we're looking at the 12,000 pound Dexter hydraulic disc brake trailer axle with the Hutch Springs on it. Comes fully assembled, ready to install. It has your heavy duty Hutch Springs on it, calipers, rotors, everything ready to go. Has an 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern with a 4.75 pilot hole. Has the new Fortress caps on them that you can either run oil or grease with. 5/8 studs, 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern, complete. This axle has a 5-inch tube on it. Great replacement axle, easy peasy. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687.